Let's go 4. Lesson 4. What do I need? Listen and repeat. I'm going to the mountains. What do I need?
You need hiking boots.
I'm going to the beach. What do I need?
You need sunscreen.
I'm going abroad. What do I need?
You need a passport.
I'm going to the woods. What do I need?
You need a flashlight.
I'm going to school. What do I need?
You need a pencil.
I'm going to the supermarket. What do I need?
You need a shopping bag.
I'm going camping. What do I need?
You need a tent.
I'm going to the swimming pool. What do I need?
You need a towel.
I'm going to a birthday party. What do I need?
You need a present.